Welcome back to Jessie's Performance. We are back with another update about the Duramax C10, the D10 project, and this time we are showing the shortening of the frame. While JJ was working on doing all the metalwork of the cab, Jessie and Kyle worked on the frame. They got the motor pulled, and we're just about ready. Once we get the motor back together, we're just about ready to get things start assembling and actually getting this truck put together. So here's what it looks like when we shorten a frame, and here we go.
All right, everybody, we got the Duramax project back in. Tonight it's just me and Kyle working on it. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to strip all the unnecessary wiring off of it and get the engine and transmission pulled out so we can wash them up real good. We're going to reseal the oil pan and the timing cover and all that stuff on it, and we're going to reseal the transmission also. We might put a converter in it, like a triple billet lockup converter in it, and maybe a bigger pan and a shift kit. I don't know exactly much about them, but I'm going to learn about them, so here we go. Alright, so what we got here is we got the Duramax frame tore down. We got the motor and stuff out of it. We pushed it outside and hooked it up with the pressure washer, our Holley, our heated pressure washer. That some bitch is bad. Alright, and what it did is it took all the grease and grime and oil and all the shit off of the frame. So now what we need to do is shorten the frame 16 inches in the center here between the rear torsion mount and the fuel cooler. There's plenty of room there. I think we got over 24 inches, so we'll take 16 inches of that out. That'll get us our wheelbase right, and then we will be able to weld that back together, fish plate it, box it in, and then we can start assembling things.
All right, y'all, that's it for this week. Make sure you stay tuned for lots more content to come from us. Like, subscribe, and comment. It always helps our videos, and thanks for watching.